Correct.
Our topic is business concept like manufacturing and sales of modular switch. Next slide. Topic is a introduction, then opportunity and market scenario, then risk, then business growth, then necessity, then government regulation, then licensing, then function, then conclusion. Next slide will be explained by Dr. Prasad.
Rahul, it's your turn.
Introduction of modular switches are made from the fire retardant material. All sockets are shuttered to avoid accidental contact of your kits with any live electrical part. All switches and sockets are ISI marked and follow international safety standards. The S4 list allows you to easily add switches, sockets, fan regulator, and other functions without much effort.
Our topic is opportunity and market scenario. Opportunity. Increasing the concern of towers industrial safety. Low income group are installing low price, children proof, flame proof modular switches at their residential. The second is a rapid growth in a real estate industry. Growth, government rules and regulation regarding the installation of a modular switches in a residential and commercial are anticipated to builder and corporate moderate switches in their construction project. Market scenario. The residential sector and commercial sector both are collectively accounting at 91% of the market revenue in 2015. Residential sector contributes 52% of total revenue in 2015. The Indian market reached throughout 2015 and 2022 at a compound annual growth rate of 21.5% from 2016 and 2022. The Indian modular switch is classified based on geography. First is the South India, second is the West India, third is the North India, fourth is the East India. North India generate largest revenue in 2015. South India, which is a projected to expand highest compound annual growth rate 22.7% during forecasting period. Now, next slide will be explained Prasan.
My topics in the manufacturing of the switches. In first is the government is impose the extra GST. The material construction and the better should be infrastructure for the profits so they can directly affect on the model switch means के lease construction जो हम GST વધારે એના પર લાગુ પડશે તો if there is a recession during the people have a money buy flats and advertise affect the build profit and affect the production of the switches means કે મંદીના કારણે જો ઇફેક્ટ થઈ શકે છે એ પણ એક બિઝનેસ માટે રિસ્ક છે તો if work contact will the stop in this point some consider the building construction fabrication repair installation maintenance and renovation. Second is business growth. Indian model switch market is expected to garner US dollar 1,595 million by 2022, registering a compound annual growth rate of 22% during the forecast period of the 2016 to 2020. Compound annual growth rate means કે આપણે અહીંયા મોડેલ સ્વિચ માટે લઈએ તો તેમાં ડિફરન્ટ ક્વોલિટીની જે બધી સ્વિચો છે એ બધી સ્વિચોનું કમ્પાઉન્ડિંગ કોમ્બિનેશન કરીને જે ગ્રોથ ગણવામાં આવે છે એને compound annual growth rate કહેવામાં આવે છે and this increase is mainly due to rapidly urbanization in India, the growing population and increasing demand for residential space. Commercial sector is expected to grow at a faster compound annual growth rate during the forecast period owing the rapid growth industrialization and service sector. Next. Third is necessity. First, safety. Popularity the model switches while the using the electrical applicant, the safety and the main concern. The conventional switches use the exponed metal switches which they always had to risk using a sock. Means કે કસ્ટમર અથવા જે યુઝર હશે જે સ્વિચીસ ખરીદશે એ એટલી જ એક્સપેક્ટેશન રાખશે કે એને ઘરમાં જેટલા પણ સભ્યો છે એમને સેફટી વર્તાય. સેકન્ડ ઇઝ ધ વેર્સેટાઇલ એન્ડ multifunctional. First is the some of the goes to with a modular switch. These switches can be used different applications like automation, signing, security and data transfer. means કે જે યુઝર અથવા જે એનો બાયર છે એ જેટલી બી એક્સપેક્ટેશન રાખે છે એને ફૂલફિલ કરવાની જે મોડેલ સ્વિચेस એ રાખે છે. અને સેકન્ડ યુ કેન ઇન્સ્ટોલ ડિફરન્ટ ટાઈપ્સ ઓફ ધ સ્વિચेस ઇન ડિફરન્ટ પાર્ટ્સ of a building, a different application as they are available in many capacitor module switches can actually be used for the heavy duty applications. To their switches offer immense flexibility, they can be easily added to remove and from switches the place according to specific requirement. Next, third is efficient and ergonomic. Module switches are the very efficient. Generally, companies with the manufacturing the high-end switches stringently test them and ensures the internal wiring is the intended efficient, so there can be error. And moreover, the modern module switches is the ergonomic design to a soft touch and noiseless operation. Next slide, explained by Mahit.
Next is government regulations. In exercise of the powers conferred by Section 14 of the Bureau of Indian Standard Act 1986, central government, after consulting the Bureau of Indian Standards, makes the following order. First, no person shall by himself or any other person on his behalf manufacture or sell or distribute any electrical wires, cables, appliances, production devices and accessories which do not conform to the specified standards and do not bear standard mark of the Bureau on obtaining certification mark license. Next is the substandard or defective electrical wires, cables, appliances, production devices and accessories or raw material or components which do not conform to the specified standard shall be deformed by the manufacturer beyond use and disposed of as scrap within 3 months. Next slide. All manufacturers of electrical wires, cables, appliances, production devices, and accessories shall make an application to the Bureau for obtaining license for use of standard mark within 45 days of the issue of this order, if not already obtained. Next is samples of any electrical wires, cables, appliances, production devices, and accessories bearing the standard mark and drawn by the appropriate authority for ascertaining whether they are of the specified standard shall be tested in the laboratory approved by the Bureau and in the manner as may be determined by the Bureau. Next slide.
Licensing. A license is a permission to do something that without license would be an infringement of intellectual property. Benefits of licensing: revenue generation, brand recognition, ownership of the intellectual property. Licensing. For here is the example of for the license of any product which includes different process, which is considered in the BIS, Bureau of Indian Standards, like product title, number of amendments, sampling guidelines, raw material, grouping guidelines. Please refer Annex A. Annex A involves aspects of switch shall be taken into consideration for grouping different varieties of switches, like current and voltage rating, types of terminals. Use of testing equipment, Annex V, which involves testing equipment like vernier caliper, high voltage tester. Scheme of inspection of and testing, Annex C, which involves laboratory test record, labeling, marking and controlling. Possible test in a lab, Annex T, which involves making protection against electric shock, temperature rise, making and breaking capacity and mechanical strength. Scope of the license, Annex C, which is licensing granted to the standard mark with the name of the product, rated current, rated voltage, nature of supply and possible connections. Scope of the license, Annex C, which informs outsourcing of modeling facilities may be printed with the following organization: modular for domestic manufacturers like international manufacturer, foreign manufacturers. Next. Function, how the business will function. Online marketing. We saw the many e-commerce websites like Amazon, Flipkart, Indian Mart, Urja Mart have enabled key players to increase our product presence in among online customers. In addition, major players have focused on expanding their online distribution network to improve customer service and sustain the market competition. The graph shows the forecasted period for the modular switches to the 2015-2022. We saw an increase in 2022 in direct sales through intermediates, and online sales and dual distribution. By the TV advertising. TV is one of the most effective advertising media in platforms in India. In terms of key performance metrics, including new customers and sales, advertising through TV outperform out other marketing media such as digital marketing and other offline marketing. Physical mode of excellence, which involves newspaper. Brand promotion via local newspaper help companies to promote awareness about their products among the populace. Business to business exhibition campaigns are anticipated to enable these players to gain competitive advantage in market, which is very essential for the marketing. Thus, the key players are expected to promote their products to the effective and innovative online videos like YouTube, social media campaigns, social media like Instagram and Facebook. Many companies they create their page on their platform. Email message campaign. In addition, promote through corporate gift help a prominent player to expand their presence, especially in the commercial sector. Conclusion. Which key points which require for the success of this business? The product must satisfy an immediate need. The production flow is essential in a marketing. Like rising in real estate sector, there is a need of modular switches. Offer good quality at a fair price. In India, most of the population belongs to middle class, and they prefer low price with a good quality. Cash flow is essential for the operating business. Maximize marketing. Selling is a core skill of successful business, and research development for research in new designs, new material in which we use for switches. Here is the source we obtain the information. Thank you.